What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is having a great day today. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hear my... Alright, let's cut this out. Cut it out. What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is having a great day today. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and help me get to my goal of 1,000 subscribers and support the channel. Now, in today's video we are going to be seeing how big of a spot can we actually fix with touch-up paint. As for the test subject, we are going to be using my 2013 Subaru WRX. You see, a couple months ago I decided to ram into a gas pump and I left this good, probably I would say that's a good 9-inch scratch right here across the bumper. Now you may be asking, why are you using touch-up paint on such a big spot? Well guys, this car is my daily driver and it's mostly driven on the highway. This bumper has, it's hard to see on camera, but this bumper has so many imperfections on it that I'm honestly not all too worried about it. But yes, normally I would not recommend using touch-up paint on such a big area, but I figured I would film this to see how it goes. So, in the name of science, I'm going to be using my own car as a little test subject for you guys, and we're going to end up seeing how it looks and seeing if I wreck the bumper even further, or honestly, as long as it looks good from about 10-15 feet away, I'll be happy until I get a new bumper. Now, I have my genuine Subaru World Rally Blue, if it focuses here for you guys, touch-up paint, so it will be exactly matching, so hopefully it's all good. Let's try it. So, if we go ahead and open this up for you guys here, this has a clear coat on the bottom and the regular paint on the top. If we unscrew this here, I've already shaken this a pretty good amount. You want to shake this stuff up for, I think it says about a minute or so, so make sure it's shaken up really good. I also have already cleaned the whole area. So we got a thinner first coat on there. I'm going to let that dry for a couple minutes here, and then I'm going to apply a second coat and see how that looks. Hopefully it fills it in a little bit better than that, but I figured doing it in 2 coats might be better since it is such a big scratch. Okay, now we're about ready for our second coat. Now for the purposes of this test, I am just using the little brush here that comes with it. However, I think with a scratch this big, it would probably be better off using a, obviously a wider brush, but for all test purposes, I'm gonna keep using this. So now we're gonna put the second coat on. Okay, now that we have let this dry for about 15 minutes or so, and keep in mind we are also in the shade. You never want to do anything like this in direct sunlight. We're going to be applying the clear coat, and yeah, we'll see how it looks when that dries. Okay guys, so it has been about another 15 minutes that we've let the clear coat dry. Now like I said before, if you're worried about, your show car or your very, I guess, OCD about how your paint looks, I would not recommend doing this. This video is simply to just show you that, $15 worth of touch-up paint sometimes can be good enough to fix, a 9-10 inch big gash versus a couple $100s or so to actually respray the entire bumper. But yep, so let's check it out and let's see what it looks like. So, as you can see, not bad at all. Now, it's definitely not perfect, but I will say, I'm standing about, about 10 feet away, and I honestly can't even see it. You can't really notice it until you get about, 3-4 feet away, then you can definitely see it. But yeah, honestly, if I would have not told you it was there, you probably wouldn't be able to see it. So there you go, guys, for $15. Definitely better than just leaving it the way it is. Alright guys, that is going to do it for this how-to video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to that channel for more content. And yeah, we will catch you guys next video.